This episode dives into bio-inspired computing, where nature's tricks spark a new breed of chips for curious minds. From slime molds guiding optimization to neuromorphic chips mimicking brains, complexity becomes approachable in everyday labs. We'll unpack how these ideas translate into faster, greener AI that learns with less power and data in tiny experiments. By exploring real-world demos, viewers see why researchers care about resilience, adaptability, and efficiency across robotics. Stick around as we connect breakthroughs to everyday tech from smartphones to self-driving systems and beyond worldwide.